Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's hard reset. Password remove. Samsung A21s. Press all the buttons together. Keep holding. When you see the switch it off, it will show you the charging, but you must plug in USB from laptop. When it's charging, you can press volume up and power key together. When you see logo, release the power key, keep holding, volume up. You see the logo, you leave all the buttons. Recovery mode. From volume down, let's go to wipe factory data, reset. Press volume once, power key once. Select with volume down. Now again power key once. In the factory data reset. Swiping. Wiped. Step A21s Samsung Galaxy. Just reboot with the power key once. A21s. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Charge your phone. Only these three buttons. Before you reset, please charge the phone. Be patient, don't press any key now. It took 3 minutes, 4 minutes, guys. It's ready. Password removed. Connect your Wi-Fi and put your Google account if there is, and use it. Yeah, please guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Now just connect Wi-Fi and your Google account password is removed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. Bye.